All right, here we go. It's my standard servo-controlled parachute release. So we're going to see if this thing works. Got my controller right there. So we're probably close to 100 psi. Hopefully it doesn't explode. I've replaced the 4 AA batteries with one 9-volt battery. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Holy moly. Oh. This is amazing. All right, here we go. Pretty close to 100 psi. Let's see if we get this thing to fly straight up in the air this time. That released a little too soon. Oh, look at that thing just drift down. That's beautiful. All right, here we go. My servo released parachute. I only have about half as much water as I normally do, which is unfortunate, but we'll see what happens. All right, we're getting close. I'm taking it to 110 psi this time. Hardly ever been attempted before. Never by me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, that's a good one. And I just pulled the trigger and released the parachute. Wow, oh my gosh. That thing is falling perfectly. Oh, there it is. Couldn't see it on my phone screen. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.